We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Today we learn about arithmetic coding and coding a tag for the alphabetic sequence. We already learned about the numeric sequence. Here we can see encode BACBA. This is the alphabetic sequence and we have to encode using arithmetic coding. And here in the sequence we can see A, B, C, 3 elements are there. And the probability of A, B and C are given in this example. So first of all, what is a tag? Tag, that is a unique identifier, and the tag value which is always between 0 to 1. So we can see the upper bound, that is 1, and lower bound of tag value, that is a 0. Now first of all we have to make a one interval. This one is a lower bound and this one is upper bound. We know the lower bound of the tag value, that is 0, and the upper bound is 1. Now in this sequence we can see A, B, C, 3 elements are there and the probability are given. So first take probability of A symbol, that is 0.5. So 0 plus 0.5, that is 0.5. So this one is a range of A. Now probability of B, that is 0.3. So 0.5 plus 0.3, that is 0.8, and this one is a range of B. And now probability of C, that is 0.2. So 0.8 plus 0.2, that is 1, which is already given. So this one is a range of C. Now we are start the encoding procedure. The first symbol, that is a B. So we have to expand the symbol B. What is a lower limit of B? That is 0.5. And what is the upper limit? That is a 0.8. So we have to expand the B, and the lower bound, that is a 0.5, and the upper bound, that is 0.8 for the B. Now we have to find the range of A, B, C. First of all, we have to encode the sequence B. So what is the difference between upper bound and lower bound? The difference, it is upper bound minus lower bound, that is 0.8 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.3.
Right.
Now we have to find the range of A, and the formula is lower bound colon lower bound plus difference into probability of A, because we have to find the range of A, so we have to take a probability of A. So what is the lower bound of this? That is 0.5. Lower bound is 0.5 plus difference, that is a 0.3, into probability of A, which is already given, that is 0.5. So the answer is 0.5, and after calculating this we get 0.65. So range of A, the lower bound is 0.5 and the upper bound, that is 0.65 for the A symbol. Same way we have to find the range of B. Same equation or same formula we have to apply, lower bound plus D into probability of B, because here we have to find the range of B. So put the value of lower bound of range of B, that is 0.65. This is a 0.65 is the upper bound of A and the lower bound of B. So 0.65 plus difference is 0.3 into probability of B, which is already given, that is 0.3. So we get 0.65 and 0.74. So the range of B, that is 0.65 to 0.74, and the remaining part, that is a range of C. Now next sequence element, that is A. Now we have to expand the symbol A. So the upper bound and lower bound of A is, lower bound is, that is 0.5, and upper bound, that is 0.65. Now same way we have to encode for the symbol A. Find the difference, that is upper bound minus lower bound, that is 0.65 minus 0.5. So it is a 0.15. And then after we have to find the range of A, lower bound plus difference into probability of A. So what is the lower bound? That is 0.5. 0.5 plus difference is 0.15 into probability of A, that is 0.5. So we get 0.5 to 0.575. So 0.575, that is a range of A. Same way we have to find the range of B, lower bound plus difference into probability of B. So we get the lower bound of range of B, that is 0.575.